Can consuming too much sugar damage liver? Are painkillers dangerous? Hey viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification, so that you don't miss any of our videos. Did you know that liver have over 500 different functions? The liver is the largest internal organ in the body. Its functions include filtering toxins from the blood, aiding digestion of food, regulating blood sugar and cholesterol levels, fight infection and disease. Some habits that destroy your liver are pretty obvious, while others are downright subtle regarding their detrimental effects. Therefore, without even realizing it, you might be destroying your liver one tissue portion at a time. Our daily routine may have some activities that place your liver at risk for injuries. Nevertheless, understanding how certain behaviors and everyday agendas ruin your liver's health is a critical first step for prevention. Here are few habits that destroys your liver. 1. Drinking alcohol. You already know that consuming too much of alcohol come up with many health risks. Did you know that liver is very resilient and it is capable of regenerating itself? Each time your liver filters alcohol, some of the liver cells die. The liver can develop new cells, but drinking too much alcohol over many years can reduce its ability to regenerate. This can result in serious and permanent damage to your liver. ARLD is the disease related to liver. ARLD occurs in 3 stages. Drinking a large amount of alcohol, even for just a few days, can lead to a buildup of fats in the liver. This is the first stage of ARLD, which is called alcoholic fatty liver disease. Alcoholic hepatitis is the next stage. Severe alcoholic hepatitis, however, is a serious and life-threatening illness. Many people die from the condition each year in the UK. When the liver has become significantly scarred, this stage is called cirrhosis. It's generally not reversible, but stopping drinking alcohol immediately can prevent further damage and significantly increase your life expectancy. 2. Eating too much sugar. Do you know why you are always asked to limit foods with added sugars? Adding sugar to foods and drinks significantly increases their calorie content without adding any nutritional benefit. Sugary foods can lead to weight gain, diabetes, heart disease, tooth cavities and even liver problems. Some studies show that sugar can be as damaging to the liver as alcohol. The excessive consumption of fructose can be toxic to the liver. When large quantities of fructose reach the liver uses excess fructose to create fat. Eventually, people who consume too much fructose can develop non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can be reversible by certain way. To know more about cleansing fatty liver, follow the link in description box below. 3. Eating trans fat. When you buy a packaged food, you may notice something like partially hydrogenated written in the ingredients list. They are trans fat. Trans fats are a man-made fat, often found in fast foods, processed and pre-packaged ready-made foods. A diet high in trans fats makes you more likely to gain weight, which is not good for your liver. Your liver cannot safely tolerate any amount of trans fats, causing increases in blood sugar and fat deposits on the liver. Over time, regular intake of trans fats causes too much fat in the liver cells. The liver cells begin to swell, causing liver tissue to harden and scar. This leads to liver cell death, also known as cirrhosis. Trans fat also attribute to causing diseases like diabetes, heart disease, fatty liver disease, and dementia. Next time before you buy packaged foods, don't forget to check ingredient list. 4. Taking painkillers. Do you rush for a painkiller when you have severe back pain or headache? Are you used to taking more than 2 or 3 doses a day? Before this temporary relief of pain gives you permanent health damage, you need to stop right there. Many drugs are metabolized by the liver. Don't forget to check the prescribed dosage of each drug. If accidentally taken wrong doses, it can damage your liver. Try to limit use of these drugs for as little time as possible, since they can be addictive and also easily lead to liver toxicity. 5. Taking certain vitamin supplements. Vitamins are very necessary for your body. But before you decide to take a supplement, check with your doctor to better understand which supplements are safe for your liver. Taking too much vitamin A supplementation is not well tolerated by the liver. Instead of taking a separate vitamin A supplement, get it from plants such as fresh fruits and vegetables, especially those that are red, orange, and yellow. 6. Taking too much herb supplements. All the label that says natural may not be okay for you. Before you decide to take any of these supplements, you should always talk to your doctor to make sure they're safe. 7. Overweight. A person who is obese or overweight are more likely to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Scary, right? The extra fat buildup in your liver cells lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. As a result, your liver may swell. Over time, it can harden and scar liver tissue, which is also called cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is said to be the last stage of liver disease. You are more likely to get non-alcoholic fatty liver if you are overweight or obese, middle-aged, or have diabetes. You may be able to turn things around. Diet and exercise can stop the disease coming your way. Don't want to do excess exercise? You can also lose weight naturally. Watch the video on 10 things to do to lose weight naturally. By now you might have understood that your liver is a key player in your body's digestive system. Everything you eat or drink, including medicine, passes through it. You need to treat it right so it can stay healthy and do its job. Without a proper functioning liver, toxins will build up in the body and be detrimental to our health. Prevention is always better than cure. Avoid liver diseases like liver cancer, cirrhosis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease by following these simple tips. Want to know more about the foods that keep liver healthy? Comment and let us know. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.